Let's start by solving this system of equations using algebra. I'm going to use combination. So I'm going to want to eliminate my x when I combine. So I'm going to multiply this equation by -5. I'm going to multiply the first equation by +2. Then, when I combine, I will be able to eliminate the x. Don't forget to distribute the 2 to each term. Now I take -5 times each term, -15y, and -25. I have chosen these numbers so when I get to this step, I am able to add and the x's are gone. I have -35y and that equals -5. I continue to solve this equation for y, so I divide by -35 and I get the answer of y equals +5/35 or 1/7 as a reduced fraction. I can then substitute this answer of y in either of the top two equations. I'll put it in the first equation. So 5x minus 10 times 1/7 equals 10. So 5x minus 10 sevenths equals 10, or 5x equals 10 plus 10 sevenths. You need to have a common denominator to add. So this would now have, if it has a denominator of 7, this would be 70 sevenths plus 10 sevenths. So 5x equals 80 sevenths. And now I multiply by 1/5. So x equals, dividing here, 80 divided by 5 is 16 sevenths. And I can rewrite that as 2 and 2 sevenths. If you wish, you could have done this step all with your calculator with the fractions. Okay, so that is my answer. It is the ordered pair 2 and 2 sevenths and 1/7. I'm going to use graphing to confirm that this is the correct answer. So I'm going to use intercepts since it's in standard form. If I'm looking for the x-intercept, I know that y is 0. Plugging in y is 0, I'm left with the equation 5x equals 10, or x equals 2. I can go ahead and graph that point. For the y-intercept, x is 0, and I'm left with -10y equals 10, or y equals -1. Then go ahead and connect the points to create your line. Grab your name tag and it will be great as a ruler for you. Okay, then doing the second equation, if y is 0, I get 2x equals 5, or x equals 5/2, which is the same as 2 and 1/2. I'll go ahead and plot that point. Doing the y-intercept, x is 0, and 3y equals 5, y equals 5/3, which is the same as 1 and 2/3. So I go to x is 0, 1 and 2/3. Using your name tag, go ahead and connect. My point of intersection is right here. And I see that that answer right there, that point of intersection where they cross, that is the same, 2 and 1/7 and 1/7. So that confirmed that my answer is correct.